Welcome learners. So this is our series 2 on organization behavior. You are with Dr. Maharajan on a wonderful knowledge sharing session. So what we are going to see today, we are going to discuss something about OB framework, but this is overall idea. What we are exactly going to discuss, that you are going to guess. We are going to see interesting things. Before that, let us recall what we have studied so far, our previous knowledge. Like, we understood what is motivation, how motivation drives job satisfaction, and how effective communication is important for organizational development within teams, and how to get good teamwork, the team dynamics, how to build what we call high performing teams. This we have discussed. We are going to study further also. So just try to guess what exactly we are going to discuss today. Can you identify the framework? Like, we have organizational dynamics, the complex interactions between or among individuals, groups, and the organization as a whole. See, we all know within each individual there is so much complex thoughts and actions going on, and within teams, of course, and within an organization, there are two large organizations. What sort of dynamics, organizational dynamics is being happening? Same way, what sort of leadership we have? Do we have leadership development? Do we explore the key traits of effective leaders and how to develop the leaders, how to nurture the leaders? And what is our workplace culture? Like, each society has culture, each organization also has culture. So what is our shared values? What is the organization's beliefs? What is the attitude of organizations? See, like individuals have attitudes, organizations also have attitudes. Some organizations may be just interested in profits. Other organizations may be welfare oriented. So what is sort of organization culture we have? So how do we embrace change? How do we manage change? What are the strategies we have for navigating the organization changes? And whether we are adapting the technologies and the changes successfully. So of course, yes, we are just right. We are trying to understand the organization behavior, like individual behaviors, factors and group factors, how groups form, group dynamics, and the organization factors, how to put them together within a framework. So that is the focus here. So before that, we'll see a real life case, how to integrate OB principles. Like, we empower the employees. The empowering the employees fosters great productivity actually. The empowered employees feel dedicated to the organization. They have more autonomy. They have something to say in the decision making. That itself boosts their motivation. And fostering collaboration, clear communication, even the office layout, even the organization structure, the reporting relationship, formal and informal communications, everything is either improving our collaborations or the otherwise. And how do we embrace change, of course? Now, when we put all these things together, we get, there is something called, okay, let us see, there are four factors. We can say motivation, abilities, role performance, role perceptions, and situational factors. We call it, taking the first letters of each word, we call it the Morse model of individual behavior, MARS. Like, how the individuals are motivated, what drives them, what desires they have to perform a task, what motivates them. Is it the money, or is it the work itself is motivating? Something we call intrinsic motivation. And same way, what are the abilities of the individuals, what knowledge they have, what are the skill set, what are their skill set, what are their competence, do they have all this competence to carry out job effectively, or do they require training, and what are their roles, how individuals perceive their roles. So understand the individual's responsibilities and expectations within the organization, how the interpersonal factors play here. Same with situational factors, the external conditions and constraints that impact the individual performance and in turn the organizational performance. So this is the Mars model. How do we implement this Mars model? So applying the Mars model, first we assess the individual's level of motivation. This relates to motivation, their abilities, role perceptions, and then we identify what are the key drivers or barriers influencing the individual performance. We internalize both the drivers and barriers, and then how to develop the targeted interventions and address the identified problems and fill the performance gaps, and then continuously monitor and track progress, make adjustments and improve the performance. This is the idea. So test your knowledge what we have studied in this video. So what is the primary focus of OB framework? The answer, select the right answer. I think you can answer it yourselves. Which of the following is not a key element of the Mars model? Again, you can answer yourself. The third one is, what is the primary purpose of a real life case study in the OB context? What do we get it? So you can answer it yourself, study it. So in summary, today we have studied in this video the key pillars of the OB framework: individual factors, group dynamics, organizational factors, and the Mars model, and how to implement the Mars model also. So it's a great learning today. So recommended books and resource given. Keep watching the videos. I am Dr. Maharajan. Thank you.